Eastman and other industry in the area like Domtar, we're really looking to this facility to do the bulk of our job-related education and job-related hands-on training.
We have 11 apprenticeship programs. Each of them are a minimum of 3 years, a maximum of 4 years. Once they're in the apprenticeship program, they will be coming to Northeast State to take their job-related education, their test, and their labs, and then they go back on the site to do their job-specific training and on the job training.
There's a lot of very area-specific training that you have to get for the equipment here at Eastman. There's a lot of very technical equipment here. I would have to say that mainly the majority of my foundation came from going to Northeast State in the classes I got there.
It really helps to have the RCAM here. It provides us with simulated equipment, lab areas that we can simulate processes, whereas out on the floor it's hard to simulate that because you've got a real process going on.
I actually went to high school in Lynchburg, Virginia. After that I took a couple years off to kind of figure out what I wanted to do. I went through the program at Northeast State for the machine tool technology, and after my first year there I got onto the co-op program here. And they hired me in as a full-time employee after that. Math is a big thing, and it's not only just this job, it's kind of the logic that goes along with the math. That'll help you in a lot of aspects of your life.
Probably use trigonometry more than anything. Probably the one thing in school I didn't think I'd ever use, but I use it every day.
Northeast State gave me the training I need to start out looking at blueprint. Concentrate on that math homework and practice your welding skills.
I put in a transfer notice to come out of the production part of the plant to the maintenance. Part of the transfer process was having to go to Northeast State and the RCAM to get the associate's degree that they required for their technicians.
We were basically handed a contract and it gave us an outline of all the school and the education that were going to be available, and that made me want it that much more because it came with basically a free degree.
You can find things like welding classes, programmable logic controller, process systems training, mechanical systems training, power transmission, chemical process operation, and industrial safety, and all the courses that support the technology fields and programs through Northeast State.
RCAM has been a great tool in preparing us for what we do day to day on our job. We've studied a lot of PLC, programmable logic controller, and is capable of doing thousands of processes at once. And we've learned here in this RCAM building how to program those, how to troubleshoot them, how to make changes in the program if needed, and it's just been very helpful.
I was never really that good with my hands, and now I'm pretty confident I could do about anything put in front of me.
I'm not going to pull any punches going through the apprenticeship program. It wasn't easy. I mean, while you're in it, it's like, man, am I ever going to get through this thing? But then once you look back on it, I'm really kind of remorseful because I enjoyed a lot of it.
Well, I'm 45. When you have to go back to school after that many years, it makes it a little bit of a challenge. Some weeks we would have to go to school 4 nights a week.
Well, I think that they went above and beyond most of the teachers because they realized we did work full-time jobs. Some of them really stepped up to the plate to make sure that I understood, and if I needed extra help, they were always there, so I commend them highly.